A community garden has many steps in process to go ahead and become this beautiful array of plants and flowers that are edible as well as beautiful. The first step is clearing the site. The site would need to be cleared of any debris and weeds before the plants could even be planted. The site would also have to be organized, what steps need to take, where we're going to plant everything, where on the site the plants will be located, who needs sun, who needs shade. Those are all the logistics that need to take place for the site before planting. So once the site is cleaned of debris and the site is organized on what will be planted, then the planting can take place. So that is, those are the steps before the planting can take place. And then throughout the season, we'll be able to have the kids there, do educational programs for them to learn. A work schedule would also need to be created for everyone so that they know what they can do to be educated and when their volunteer time is coming up. And this will eventually give us a bountiful yield of great produce that we can have mainly through the summer, and maybe even have enough to do some canning or to share with others.